Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl. Promise I'm back with another banging video. I know it's been a long time since I make a video, since 1 month ago, but yeah, I just forget to post this one. That's fine. But this hair, let's talk about this hair. Is giving $49. Yes, she's giving $49. It's synthetic mixed with human hair, so yeah. But I did at least. Let's just get straight into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more upcoming video. And see you in the video.
Wanna go with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to.
Guys, I don't know about this hair, what this hair is doing, but this hair get a girl on fire. Yeah, so it's a sensational, is that how they say, sensational human hair blend. Yeah, HD lace frontal. Yeah, it's already twist everything, so I'm just going in to twist it a little bit. Oh god, why I keep saying twist? Plug it a little bit, just a little bit, the middle part for it to be clear. Yeah, kind of plugging, but I'm not plugging because I'm not trying to make it too obvious. So I'm going in with the hair comb. The hair comb I'm putting on 250 because yeah, girl, I don't want for this hair to burn your hair. Because this bad bitch is on a budget, a brokey budget. A brokey budget. So as you all know, you need a wax stick and a hair comb. If you don't have a wax stick and a hair comb, then mean that your village people is working against you. Let me tell you now, go check back home, go check in the village what they're doing, because that hair, if you don't have wax stick and hair comb, the hair will be like a mess. Let me be honest with you now. Like I said, I was on a budget. You see the most I look dark, kind of dark, because my sister put a makeup inside the mousse to tint her lace frontal. So, and this girl is not going to buy no mousse for hair right now. I'm still on a brokey budget, so yeah. So you can see this cornrow and it'll be perfect because it's going on in the wig. So I'm going to put in my oil and then put this weave cap on. Let me be honest with you now. A ball cap method is not my thing. I don't know how to do correct ball cap, so yeah. Just manage this one. I just manage this ball cap. So yeah. So I didn't use Gato B spray. I used Urban. Is it Urban or Eban spray? Yeah, that's what I use.
Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love.
So, like I said, I'm not too good at ball cap. That's why I switched to the blade. I was using the scissor, but I switched to the blade. So, yeah. I'm able to cut on my left side with the scissor. You keep going in, going out, coming out, going in. You can see how you dress back right now. So, for this thing, the thing I was spraying on the paper, the makeup for the lace front ball cap thing. I don't know how you call it, but yeah. I tried to look for the Revel color in the store, but I couldn't find it, so I bought the dark one, the darkest. So I have to try it on the paper to see how about to spray it before it be too dark. That's why I was trying on the paper. Of course, the hair is a HD lace frontal, but still, we still have to put more of that magic touch to it. Yeah, just more of the magic touch, because it will not match on my skin. It match on my hand, but I don't know, because the sun hot, so my face look a little bit dark. Yeah. So yeah, that's why I have to spray it again for it to match my forehead. So guys, if you're a beginner in lace frontal, or you don't know how to do or you don't know how to do lace frontal at all, let me just give you a tip. Use spray, use the got to be spray, and spray it, and then just tie it or blow dry it. But don't use glue, because if you use glue, it will pack up on the thing, on the lace front, and it just be white, and then the lace front will not even let down go if you don't know how to use it. So just use your lace spray and your got to be gel. They were not in the black tube, now they were not in the yellow. The yellow one too can do the same thing as the glue. So yeah, as you can see, I'm scratching my face together. I'm scratching my face because the bucket was hurting my hair. I was scratching my face together because the spray was too cold. Yeah, the spray was too cold, so I have to make that sour face like Bohemian, but let me know my like me say, beauty is pain. So yeah, it's not painful, but it's just cool, kind of cool.
Without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up.
This hair was all in my way, so I just have to tie it to the back, because there's other step we have to get it right. So after I finish doing the spray, everything, I just put a hairband on it for it to dry. I leave it on for like 20 something minutes, 15, I think 15 or 20 minutes, I don't know, I forgot how many minutes I leave it on for. Yeah, and then just wait. If you leave it on for an hour, if you're rushing to go somewhere, you can leave it on for an hour. But this video, I did it in the night, and I have work the next day, so I couldn't leave it on for the hour.
15 minutes later.
I'm so anxious just to feel that.
So as you can see, I'm taking out the hairband for me to cut the lace and then do my edges. See how happy, because it dry and it looking like a skein, because I have to go pay another 150 for people to come put one ratting lace front on my head. I know how to do it, yes. I can't even pay 150 to do cornrows or bass braids or another braids on my hair. Then I can pay 150 for a week. Wow, joking. So girl, baby girl, let's just go out lace front and do our edges. So guys, if you're trying to cut a lace front, don't use scissors, use blade and go in the edges. Don't go all the way up, because if you don't go in the lace front thing, that net, it will be showing. You want that on your hair. Yeah, I'm not an expert on cutting lace front, but I'm just giving you a little bit of tip, just a little bit. Guys, if you don't know how to do lace front, you don't know how to do lace front, but you can still try. But don't just do the exact thing I did on this video, but don't just copy everything. Just put 1 and 2 together. You can go watch different people on a video, you watch my own video, and then you put 1 and 2 together for you to learn how to do your lace front. Don't just watch one video and then if it don't work out now, you say, oh, she get her Latin, because this my own set technique. I'm just showing you how to do my lace front. So yeah. I was kind of struggling for me to cut a lace front from the back of my ear, because girl, I'm not about to cut my ear off. Then I can I let her say I'm dumb already, and then I gotta cut my ear off. I'll be acting like this I'm dumb more. So yeah, I forgot to cut it off the time the weave cap was on the mannequin hair. So I just have to struggle. So after you finish cutting the lace front, just put a little bit of gotta be spray on every lace thing that lift up. Just put gotta be spray on it, and then tie your hairband thing back on it and wait for 15 minutes. So guys, as you can see, I'm cutting the edges off where I'm drying the lace from, cutting all the edges. And yeah, let me get you something. You should get this iron for your lace, your edges thing, for you to flat iron it. Yes, if you get a regular human hair, your own set hair, because your hair is too rough, you can still flat iron your edges and then do your lace soup. I tell you, TikTok, TikTok, you can go wrong with some TikTok stuff. Let me tell you now. On TikTok, be giving you tip. Sometimes you should listen.
But you get a bit better.
So you can see how you're going super lupu, because the iron, it make it to stay in place for it to go soup. So let me tell you, I don't use edge control brush, all that stuff. That's too much a waste of time. That's a waste of time for me, and it don't work for me. So I'll be using comb, a small comb. That's what I'll be doing my edges with. If I find comb, my edges will not be done for that day. Let me tell you now. So after doing my edges, I'll just start in with the same elastic band thing for my edges to stay in place. because if I don't tie it will still lift up. And just all this got to be gel, all the edge control in it. So yeah, I just spray it. Got to be spray, and then you say got to be gel, and tie the edges back with hairband thing. Now elastic band. Yeah. So guys, this is how the hair came out. Yes, that's the hair. I will show you the edges in the intro. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more upcoming video, and see you in my next video. Peace out.